Q135-14 westbound 280 axles. And the edges, I'm not kidding. Buck 80 axles.
35 westbound track number 2.
And yes, I'm still on the fold.
Westbound track 2 clear Montrose locomotive 3370.
These mostly bill tables. Okay. This is the first. Here we go. Only 4 cars to have it? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 8 cars. Okay. Huh. 12 cars of double and the rest are bill tables. Huh. Okay. Never mind. Yeah. Alright, Q135, how long, that's what I can tell. You guys look good. You guys be safe going westbound. Alright, I don't know when the next freight's coming. It could be 5 minutes, it could be 3-4 hours. I don't know. So I don't know how much longer I'm going to stay out. But we'll see what happens. See you guys in the next one.